Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my channel. It's called Hidden Beauty by Tosh, and my name is Natasha. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and if you guys are returning subscribers, welcome back. Super happy to have you. So yeah, you guys can tell by my look right now, you guys can tell by the title of my video, I'm going to be doing a super fun video today, but I feel like I say that about all my videos because I genuinely love recording and doing all this stuff. So today, you guys can see by my look, I'm going to be doing, I'm telling you guys, the easiest green eyeshadow half cut crease tutorial. So, you know, I'm continuing my 10 days of eyeshadow. This is my second day. So today's color is green. I did this look. I feel like it turned out awesome. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. And at the same time, it's a little tutorial on how to do a half cut crease. And I'm telling you, I only used 2 colors. So it's a super, super easy look. It does not take long. This is a tutorial for you guys out there who don't know how to do a half cut crease, who maybe are a little shy of using color. This is the video for you because this is going to help you achieve this because A, you only need 2 colors, and B, it's so easy, guys, I'm telling you. And honestly, if you don't like green, if you want to try another color, it's the same thing. Just, you guys don't have to use this color. You guys can use another color if you want to. It's the same concept. So no matter what color you choose to do, it's literally like the same exact thing. Just switch out the colors. And if you guys are interested to see how to get the easiest green eyeshadow half cut crease, you guys can continue watching my video. To start off this super easy green eyeshadow half cut crease, honestly, all you need, guys, is 2 eyeshadow colors. That's it. I'm telling you, this look, you might actually consider working with color after this. So we'll see. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to do this. So first things first, I'm going to zoom myself in. Okay. So now that I'm zoomed in, you guys can actually see me. Again, ignore like my eyebrows. I feel like I haven't really discussed this on camera, but ignore them. I'm very upset because my eyebrow game was on point and this whole quarantine thing messed it up, and now look at me. I tried to like use a little like blade and it just backfired, and now it's like too thin. So at this point, I'm just letting it grow out. So yeah. I don't know if you guys remember from my last video or a few of my last videos. I don't remember exactly when my video was, but I did talk about how when you start off, a flat brush for your base color because it is the starting of your eyeshadow. So I am going to do the same thing now, but it's going to be a little bit different because we're doing a half cut crease. I'm doing a half cut crease. I'm going to be using a flat brush as well, but it's going to be a smaller one. So I will show you the comparison. This is one that I was using my last video. It's a little bit bigger, but now I'm going to be using this guy. So I'm going to be using my NYX, and I'm going to start with this this matte color. You see, this is a little bit more pigmented. I know on the camera this looks a little yellow, but it's actually more of like a dirty kind of green color. It looks really pretty in person, but it is coming off a little yellow, but I promise you it's green. And then this here is just a regular green. I'm going to start with this color because it's more mattified. This is more shimmered, and I always like to start my base with a matte color. I'm going to start on the side right here. And you're going to fill in, instead of doing the whole lid, you're going to only cover half of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend the half shadow I did just to bring it all together. And then you kind of can just go back and forth doing that until you get the desired pigment that you want. I tend to like more of a pigmented eyeshadow look. Some people tend to like more of a faded eyeshadow look. I do like more of a pigmented one, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of the green, blend, add a little bit more of the green, and blend. So this is how both eyes turned out. Now I just have to add the color to this empty part. Take this like little angled brush kind of, and I'll go with my concealer. Okay, so I am still gonna conceal, but just very, very little. So you will see what I do. And this is why I conceal, just to add a little bit more of a brightness to it again. So I'm gonna grab my mirror. Like a little brush like this. And you're just going to powder it just so it stays in place. I'm gonna go in with this kind of dirty green, or more of like a lime green, I wanna say, right here. And you're gonna go in with that same exact brush that you did in the first time. And what I'm doing is I'm just layering this color, and then I'm gonna go in with my blending brush and bring it all together. And I'm gonna use my same blending brush that I did. Just gonna blend this. And the key to this look is just adding more pigment. So just like on this side, how I was adding color, blending, adding color, blending, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I really hope my video was helpful for you guys, so you guys can play around and have fun with some eyeshadow, try out a half cut crease or cut crease or full cut crease or whatever you want to do. This was my easiest green eyeshadow half cut crease tutorial. Yeah, and I hope you guys were able to enjoy my video, and you guys have a great day. See you guys back in my next video.